Well, hey there. Good Sunday evening to you. We are still watching some thunderstorms threatening parts of the Carolinas at this hour. Thanks for joining me. I'm Paul Goodlow along with Kelly Cass here in the studio. And take a look at this. You're looking at a hailstorm video posted to YouTube out of Franklin County, Virginia earlier on Sunday. While we definitely could still see some thunderstorms through the night, we don't expect to see scenes like this or even tornadoes. That's some good news, but we could definitely see the risk of hail continue because of the instability in the atmosphere. Kelly has more on where the storms are right now.
That's right. In fact, we had quarter-size hail